Parang nangtatantya ngayon si Chis Escudero eh.
He should
Dahil nga
not.
sa nangyari in the past months na sobrang polarized eh.
Yes.
Kaya parang hindi niya masyadong medyo dahan-dahan siya sa pagdisiplina. You think that's a problem now?
Yes, that's as I said. They should. Senator Cheese, with all due respect, without he should exercise more control over the proceedings, so that we can get to move this impeachment trial. This cannot drag on and I can see that it's dragging on.
Saka may isa pa siyang problema, nagkakawalaan nga yung mga senador.
Again,
Not his fault. Nagkakawalaan, nababawasan.